Hello, my name is Jesus Martinez. I go to Harvard Science Academy in North Austin. I'm a junior, and today I'm going to show you guys the air cannon. My partner Rudy will help me fill this up. Let's go. Okay, now, how are these vortexes created? That's what I'm going to tell you guys right now. See, when I tap the back of the cannon, like so, the air is pushed out, and it hits this circle ring, right? And that creates friction. Now, the friction is created at that point, creates the vortex, and that's what propels it and shoots it off into the sky. Alright, thank you very much.